Hi everyone, Miss Joelle here for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be talking about how to create documents that are brand new without having to go into your Google Drive. So all you have to do is open a tab or use the URL on an existing tab. And all you have to do up here is start typing Docs.new. And what this is going to do is this is going to take you to a brand new Google Doc. And this is literally it. Now you can continue with what you need to do, so you can start typing. However, it's now floating in a random spot in your drive. So what I would suggest is giving this a name. Sometimes you have to let it load for a few minutes or it's going to glitch out on me. So I'm going to name it Tech Tip Doc. And once you name it, you'll see this little folder pop up, and this folder allows you to organize it within your drive. So now instead of having to send it and go find it in your folders and drag it to where you want, you can literally just do it right here. So you click the little folder, and then these are all of my folders within there. And so what I can do is I can now click to where I want it to go. So let's say I wanted it in my library folder. Then I could also choose within my library folder which folder to go to, and you could just keep going and going and going until you find where you want, and then you'll click move here, and then that is where that document will go. If you don't organize it, it'll just be floating around at the bottom of your drive, and you can still search for it, but this is a better way to organize. You can also do this with Slides.new for a new Google slide presentation. You can do this with Forms.new for a new Google form. And you can do this with Sheets.new for a new Google Sheet. And that is it. There may be other applications you can do this with as well. Those are the only ones that I've tried, but hopefully that was helpful. Don't forget that you need to name it first in order to then be able to organize it in your drive. And I hope y'all have a great week. You know where to find me if you have any questions.